Today I'll show you how to add the bright light transition which adds a glowing light flash between your clips. First, load up your project and place two clips next to each other on the timeline. You'll see a plus icon between the clips. Go ahead and tap on it. This opens the transition options. Now, under the base section, look for the light transition. Tap on it and you'll instantly see a bright flash effect added between your clips. Below, you'll find the duration slider. If you drag it to the left, the flash will be fast and punchy. Drag it to the right, and it becomes smoother and more gradual. Adjust it until it feels perfect for your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a bright light transition in VN Video Editor. This effect is super handy for making your edits look cinematic and professional. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more VN editing tips.